Good day everybody! In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure a LAN network using an Ethernet cable and how to share a printer within the network. First, gather the necessary materials such as laptops, a router or switch, Ethernet cables, and the printer that will be shared. Next, connect the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port of your computer. If the connection is correct, you will see a blinking orange or green light. After that, connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the network switch or router. Take note of the port number used. To assign an IP address, open Control Panel and go to Network and Internet. And select Network and Sharing Center. Click Ethernet, then Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP or IPv4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following IP address and enter your own IP address. For example, mine is 192.168.1.17. The subnet mask will automatically appear, then enter the default gateway. The preferred DNS server should stay blank. If something pops up, just click Yes. And then close all the pop-ups. Open File Explorer to verify the connection and click Network to see other connected devices. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R, then type //192.168.1.100 and hit Enter. If the shared printer appears, right-click the printer and select Connect. Once it is done, open a file that you want to print, select the newly connected network printer, and then click Print. Now, you just have to wait for your file to be printed.